Only 1% of people know the true impact of baking soda. What if I told you that right now, in your kitchen cabinet, there's something so powerful it could improve your health in ways you never imagined? It costs pennies, is probably sitting in the back of your cupboard, and you've likely used it for baking or cleaning. But here's the twist: this humble ingredient is not what you think. You see, only about 1% of people truly understand the hidden health benefits of baking soda. From your oral health to athletic performance, it's a game changer that could transform your well-being. Curious? Stick with me, because today, we're uncovering the incredible science and surprising benefits behind this everyday household item that goes way beyond just rising cookies. Before we dive deeper into the science and benefits, let us clear up a few myths that might be holding you back from unlocking the true potential of baking soda. Myth number 1. Baking soda is only useful for cleaning. You've probably heard people say it is just a cleaning product or an ingredient for your cookies, right? Well, the truth is, that's only the tip of the iceberg. In fact, modern research is revealing that baking soda plays a far more significant role in balancing your body's pH levels and supporting your health in ways you never imagined. Imagine if something that simple could help your body work more efficiently. Let's uncover how. Myth number 2. Baking soda is just a quick fix for heartburn. Yes, it's true that baking soda can offer quick relief from heartburn. But here's the twist: it's not just a temporary solution. It's actually a powerful alkaline substance that helps neutralize excess acid in your body, promoting balance in ways that extend well beyond your stomach. This balancing act is essential for your overall health, and today, we'll show you why this goes far beyond just digestive comfort. So, what does the science say about baking soda? Prepare to be amazed. Let's break it down. You've probably used it to brush your teeth, but did you know that baking soda can help with much more than just a sparkling smile? A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry uncovered something surprising. Baking soda mouthwashes have been scientifically proven to reduce the irritation caused by canker sores and neutralize the acids responsible for bad breath. Thanks to its pH balancing properties, it is not just a quick fix, it is a scientifically backed solution to better oral health. We've all experienced the dreaded muscle burn after a tough workout. That's lactic acid building up in your muscles, forcing you to slow down. But here is the twist: research from the Journal of Sports Science shows that baking soda can help buffer this acid buildup. By taking a small amount of baking soda before high-intensity workouts, you can delay fatigue and potentially boost your performance. So, next time you're about to hit the gym, consider adding this secret weapon to your routine. It could help you push through longer and harder. Now, this one might surprise you. Most people don't realize that baking soda can actually support kidney health. A study in nephrology dialysis transplantation revealed that sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. How? By neutralizing excess acids in the blood, which is crucial for kidney function. For those dealing with kidney issues, this could be a game changer, potentially life-saving even. Let's break it down simply. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance, meaning it has a high pH. Our bodies need to maintain a balanced pH for proper function. When there's too much acid in our blood or tissues, it can lead to issues like acid reflux or kidney disease. Baking soda works by neutralizing that excess acid. It helps bring your body's pH back into balance, which is why it's so effective for things like improving oral health, reducing muscle fatigue, soothing skin irritations, and even supporting kidney function. It dissolves into sodium and bicarbonate ions, which neutralize the acids in your stomach, muscles, and bloodstream, helping your body stay in a healthy, balanced state. Real-life application. Now that we know the science, here's how you can use baking soda in your everyday life. For oral health, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water. Swish it around for 30 seconds, then spit it out. This helps neutralize acids, freshen your breath, and heal canker sores. Use this mouthwash a few times a week for boosting performance. Before a high-intensity workout, mix about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it 60–90 minutes before exercising. It helps buffer lactic acid buildup and may delay fatigue. If you have kidney concerns, consult your doctor before using baking soda. It may help balance pH levels, but it should only be used under medical supervision. For skin irritations, make a paste with baking soda and water, then apply it to mosquito bites or minor skin irritations. It neutralizes the acids causing the irritation and provides soothing relief. Now that you know the true power of baking soda, have you ever used it for health? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you've used it or if you plan to try any of these tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more surprising health hacks. Next time on Man Health 360, we'll uncover the science of sleep and why it is just as crucial as diet and exercise. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how sleep affects your health, and I'll share easy tips to improve your sleep quality tonight. See you soon.